Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you beautiful denim mat design ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start. Today viewers, so my first idea is friends, weavers, all jeans. Do not throw away your old jeans. They can be reused in a beautiful way. Wash them properly and let them dry. Now they are ready for craftings. Cut the denim pieces. Cut the jeans into long strips or square pieces. Try to keep all pieces similar in size. You can use different shape of denim for a stylish look. Design your mat pattern. Decide how you want your mat to look. You can make a square, rectangle, or round shape. Simple patchwork design look very nice. And friends, start stitching the denim pieces one by one. You can stitch them by hand or use a sewing machine. Make sure all pieces are fixed lightly. Strong stitching will make your mat long lasting. And add layer for storage. You can add a soft cloth or fabric under the mat. And weavers, so my next idea is weavers. Sorry, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Readers, so friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.